Harris Panthers. Yeah. Harris Panthers. Let's go.
For parents who are checking in or checking out students at Harris Elementary, or any visitors coming to volunteer for whatever other reason you may need entrance to Harris Elementary, you will come through this gate. Now this gate will be locked after 9 a.m. and there will be a sign that says, if you need entrance to Harris Elementary, please call, and the number will be 501-955-3550 for entrance to Harris Elementary. At that point, a security officer will come to the gate to let you in, and we will proceed this way in between College Station and our media center. You will see these doors, but you will not be able to enter. That's not our entrance. That's the entrance to the media center. And we will proceed around. Again, no parents, volunteers can park in this area, okay? And then we will turn left and go in between the cafeteria and the media center. There will be gating here where you can't get in, and all the things, materials and supplies that are out right now will not be out at that time. Now we turn right and we have our cafeteria and the Harris Elementary side. So in this, you will follow the awning all the way down, and it's pretty hot, so this shade is feeling good. And then you will turn left, and this will be the entrance to the building. And our security guard will warn you before you come in, and you will also sign in like you usually do. And once you enter, you will turn left, and we will proceed. Our temporary office will be to the left right here. And Miss Foley, our register, will be stationed in this area. And parents can come in, check out. If you need to register or handle any other business with the register, this is where you would come. We are so excited about all the renovations that are going on here at Harris Elementary, but we just have to remember that we have to be patient. This is temporary, and we're trying to do what's best to keep our students, our staff, and parents safe.
Panthers. Panthers.